We will be there. Nedbank Cup final, CAF Confederations Cup. We will be there. A massive win against all odds. To be honest, I also didn't see that one coming. I was also a bit skeptical on that lineup. When I saw Bradley Cross on that lineup, I was shaking. I thought I was going to have a very difficult day against the best player in the league, Lucas Ribeiro. But then this is what I call character. We didn't offer a lot in terms of technical and tactical perspective, but then we just had the right mentality. But then I think we're adapting a small team mentality. Why must we put on this kind of performances only against Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates? I think if we take this mentality into the league for our remaining games, we can finish in a decent position. In terms of the game plan, Chiefs surprised me in the way they approached the game, especially in the first 15-30 minutes. We took the game to Sundowns. We made them uncomfortable, didn't allow them to build up from the back. We were pressing. We didn't create a lot, I have to say. It was expected, against Mamelodi Sundowns, they are not going to create a lot of chances. But then we used our two big chances. The first one was a gift. I didn't know it was Duba's birthday. A gift from Lucas Suarez. We take it all day. Good finish from Wandile Duba. Had a lot to do there. But then I liked his mentality. I once mentioned this in my previous video. I think it was my previous video in the loss against Golden Arrows. I questioned Joseph Mart, the club captain. I questioned his mentality. He scored an equalizer, went to the corner, and we were dancing there. It was all vibes. But then a 20-year-old Wandile Duba scores an equalizer against Mamelodi Sundowns. You know what he did? Picked up the ball. Come on, let's fucking go. That's the mentality I wanna see. In terms of Mamelodi Sundowns side, they didn't also offer much. Yes, they had all the ball. It was expected, but then they didn't hurt us. They only created one big chance in the first half, a good save from Voma. And we considered in the critical phase of the game, a silly foul to give away there by Solomons. He had cover. There was no need to commit that foul. I also have to question Bruce Voma on that free kick. I think the free kick was coming straight at him. Yes, the Sundowns wall was blocking his view, but then it was all about reaction. But then I won't be too hard on him. He had a decent game. Let's go to player ratings. We're gonna start with Voma. I'm going to give him a 6. 6 is the average. I think he had an average game. If it wasn't for that goal, if he kept a clean sheet, could have been 7. Didn't also have a lot to do. I'm gonna give him a 6. Solomons, I'm gonna give him a 6 also. Had an average game, didn't have fantastic game, definitely didn't have a bad game. Going to give him a 6. I'm going to give Oldmilson Dove a 6.5. Good shift there in the center back position. He also gave away the ball a few times, but then he was decent, winning his aerial duels and ground duels. I'm going to give him a 6.5. Bradley Cross, I'm going to give him a 7. This guy proved me wrong, man. He proved me wrong. I expected worst from him, but then provided a very solid performance against Lucas Ribeiro. And Thabo Cele, I'm going to give him a 6. It was a decent game, but then from Thabo Cele's quality, we expected a lot, I have to say, but then take nothing away from him. He was coming from injury. I think that's why he couldn't play the full 90 minutes. Yusuf Mart proved many of us wrong. I have to give it to him. Another solid performance, making it three successive top performances, providing a captain performance, the leadership, ball retention, ball circulation. I think he's getting there. I think Nabi is finding the right combination between him and Chabotele, which seemed not to be working previously, but then I think it's getting there. Gaston Sereno, I'm going to give him a 7. Very good performance, very good performance. He's our best player in the creative department. He proved it yet again. Although I have a problem with his behavior, this kind of behavior will cost us in very big games, because he also had a yellow card in this game. I think that's why Nabi took him off, because he was a bit frustrated. He has this thing whenever he plays against Sundowns, it's like he's out to prove a point, of which I see no need to do that. He played for Sundowns, played very well. He had to leave. It was his time to leave. So there's no need to go out there and try to prove a point at the expense of your current team. But then it was a good performance from him. Out wide, I'm going to give Lilebo a 6. Played in moments, of course. As per our approach in the game, he was always going to play in moments, had good moments, especially in the first half. So is Pule Modi. I'm also going to give him a 6. And I'm going to give Wandile Tuwa, who was voted the man of the match. I'm going to give him a 7. As I've mentioned before, good finish, good mentality. I'm going to give him a 7. But then my man of the match in this game has to be Gaston Sereno. If he played 90 minutes, I am pretty sure he was going to win the man of the match award. Then the substitutes, Ox Mchechwa was brought in to solidify the midfield. He came in for Chabotele later in the second half when the score was 1-1. I think we wanted to take the game to extra time, but then we eventually got a goal. I'm going to give him a 5. Can't give him anything more than that. He only played less than 20 minutes. Ashley Dupree, the match winner. Just for the goal, I'm going to give him a 6. Didn't also have much to do, but then in the big moment, he converted the chance and won us the game. I'm going to give him to Tuzi Shabalala a 4. Didn't really impact the game. Also was brought in late for Pule Modi. He played wide until Gaston Sereno was taken off. He played as the number 10. Also didn't create much. And I'm going to give George Matlu a 5.5, provided the assist on Ashley Dupree's goal. Good cross there. There was a question of offside, but then offside, alongside, broadside, Kaizer Chiefs in 5. We don't care. We move. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.